Seriously?
Good morning.
Up to you. If you take what we're talking about here, what's your name?
Ariel.
Ariel, stand up for a second, Ariel. Just stand up for a second. I only got to sit with Ariel maybe not even like 5 or 6 minutes. That's how long I got to sit with Ariel. All I did was show Ariel from the 5 or 6 minutes, when you go to the job, this is what you do different so you know how to fight for a job. Ariel, how long was it after that workshop that you got a job? 2 months. So the difference between you guys and Ariel is maybe she found out how to go get a job. Maybe she knows how to get 2 or 3. Maybe Ariel doesn't sweat at the interview. Maybe you think you might beat Ariel. And all I can tell you is I'd hate to be with Ariel in the same interview line because she knows how to act and she knows how to fight for a job. So I don't care what you guys know, but if I... Okay, you want to stand up? I'm right here. Don't click anything. When your screen comes up, I need you just to scroll up and down and choose industry. Industries that have this icon, I'll show you. New people, if you guys pay attention and you see the industry, I need you to select the one you like. So go ahead and scroll up and down. You know how to scroll? There you go. Scroll slowly so they can see too. If you find out,
I made up my mind.
Huh?
I made up my mind.
Hold on. Let them scroll all the way to the bottom. Scroll real slow.
I'm gonna smile.
What did you do?
He made a mistake. Calm down. It's like in the world.
Industry preference. So before we do anything, who knows and who's going to volunteer and say what industry they like? For example, right now here, I'm in the education environment. It's school. Who knows what industry you like? Raise your hand. What industry? Technology. Perfect, man. You're on key. Put that on the top of your page. Hello, my name is Anthony Vasquez, and I want to thank you again for joining us. We're going to take a brief moment just to cover some information about one of our workshops, in particular, Structuring the Real You. If you've noticed, this is the IXL magazine, and on the back here it says, "This is yours in support for a home," and it also says here, "A tool to access money." Everybody here has a little piece of paper. It's called Guide to Success. Before we go into it, I have a couple of questions. One of them is, has anyone here ever been bullied? You know, has anyone ever had someone talk behind their back? Alright, so that's the majority of people. Alright. So, you know, just by a show of hands, who wants to participate and tell me why they think they do that? Okay, let me have your...
Maybe because they were once bullied in their life.
Now I'm coming around to collect some names. You guys ready?
Thank you.
That's what I'm talking about. Alright, let me get the scissors. We have time.
Thank you.
We got scissors. Alright, next in line. You guys done? You guys done? Okay. My name is Anthony. Tell me about yourself.
My name is Christian.
Yeah, language, what's your issue? Weakness or something?
Yes, no, I do. Language.
There you go, man. Alright, nice to meet you. Let me have you take a seat over there. You. Important life skills. Houston, you're missing the about us in the quotations. The quotations is right there.
So where do I write that about us?
So right after you see corporate contributions, it's right after that. Yep.
Okay, Jordan, come here.
Okay. You got it right. You're looking good. You're looking good. Support at right in the middle of the at. That's good. Corporate partnerships. That's good. You get the at sign. You know how to do the at, right? Right here. Support at right here. Hold the shift. There you go.
And we just put contribute.
Yes.
Look at everybody got the camera.
You are.
Okay, we ready?
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
For community in Congress. Well, I had some goals too. While I was still in high school, I decided that I was going to be the first person to walk on the planet Mars. I truly believed that if I worked hard enough, I'd be able to do this. Well, a couple years ago, I left NASA without ever making it to Mars. But I did get kind of close. I made it into space 4 times. Now, now, if any of you think that's impressive, getting into space 4 times, just think of how impressed the aliens were when I told them that I have been to the planet Earth 5 times. They were quite impressed. But to get there, I had to have a plan. And my plan was to become a naval aviator, and then a Navy test pilot, and then an astronaut. And I thought if I worked hard enough, maybe I'll get to Mars.